Hello guys, it's Hanako. Today I'm going to check out my pet animal. I'm muted on the call I'm on, so let's check out my pet. Hi Jamal. Can you sniff out something for me, Jamal? Oh no, Jamal, I'm sorry. Why is there a chicken in your house, Jamal? This thing's been laying eggs in your house. You can't let it do that. We already looked at the horses. We did not look at Jamal. Oh, this is something Jamal sniffed up. Wow, Jamal. Let's go build a new Hanako house. Right here. This is where my Hanako house will be. This Hanako house will be built out of mossy cobblestone. Because it's my lovely Hanako house. It's going to be small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 6. 6 by 7 by 7, because then I can have a door that isn't uneven. I don't know why this girl is laughing, but she said something really like awful and it's making me mad. So I'm making my Hanako house. Stop! Her laughing is making. I'm making my Hanako house. Wait, guys, I think I can live stream. Maybe I can try live stream. It's my Hanako house, my Hanako door. We'll have a warped door because it looks mossy, like my moss. It doesn't match, but it's okay, because this is a Hanako house. A Hanako house is good like that. Guys, this is my Hanako house. Fine. Here we go. It's my Hanako house. Okay, guys, that's enough for today. I'm gonna break into the house and ruin it all. Get out! Get out!